In this video, we are going to learn two methods, that is log and iloc. The purpose of these methods is to locate the data in the data frame. I have already created the data frame for you, as shown here. You can see now, let us use the printdf to show us the data frame. And then, as I already wrote, the log as first argument. Here we have to give the index number, that is row number. Here 0. I'm giving 0 the first row, and I'm giving the next one is name. So we wrote here the name. When we run it, there is the output that I have already get. So this is null. So this local method is allowing us to locate the data. We have to specify the row number, and we have to specify also the column name. So now if we change from name to gender here, a gender means an object gender. So there are a lot of ways in which this local method can be used, and we will be learning all of that in next videos. Now let's do like print df log3. I'm giving the row number as a 3, index as a 3, then I'm giving you a list here, name and state. So this is the output I'm getting here. The meaning of this statement is, for the third row, the value of the columns are name and the state, and that is what we have got here, name and state. So that is all about the log method. It is used to locate the data in the data frame. We have to specify the row number and the column names. So now let's go to the iloc method. So the iloc method it is not different from the log method. The purpose of iloc method is the same as log method. When it comes to log method, we have to use integers in the positions. There is a little bit difference between log and iloc. Here we can use a list, but here we have to use only integers of the position. So let's write the equal statement that I had already write. If you are demonstrating now with me and typing, so you have to write like this one, 0, 1, 2, 3. So to access the value in the column gender, so this first column is the position 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So to access the value in the column gender, we have to give the position 1, as I put already. So upon running this statement, we got this as a result. This is the output m. The purpose is the same as the log method, but we cannot specify the column names. We can only specify the position of the column, this position 0, 1, 2, or 3. You can do everything that we did using the local method, using also the iloc method. So now in this video we learned two methods, log and iloc, which helps us to locate data from the data frame. See you in the next video.